Hey guys, so this is not a tutorial, but I wanted to share with you something because I had so much fun with this card making pad that all I have left is the front cover to show you. And I wish I had taken this video before I got started, but I just thought this was a card kit and I was going to make a bunch of cards. So I don't know if you all have seen this, but Studio Light has come out, and I think I don't know, I could be that I just caught on late, but I noticed these first around the holidays and some winter and Christmas themed pads. But they are card making paper pads, and if you haven't seen them, they are pretty big. They're about 8.5 by 11.5 or something like that, 8.3 by 11.7 inches in size. And inside here, there's enough to make 12 cards, okay? So each sheet in here has a bunch of punch outs, die cuts, and then on the top corner, there's sort of a little sample of the card that you're going to make. So I actually saved some of them because they were so cute. But this is all I have left from the kit, by the way. But up in the top corner, you'll see a card sample. So for example, this one, so it shows you that's the card that you're going to make. So you punch out all the little pieces and then you assemble the card. So great. I started putting it together and I made a bunch of cards. And then I realized, okay, I don't really need, I make a lot of cards and I don't use them all and I give a ton away, but I thought, what else could I do with this? So that's what I want to share with you guys today. I just want to show you what else I did with this Studio Light card making paper pad, because if you're a scrapbooker or you just like any other paper crafts, there's so much versatility in here. It's not just for cards. So let me just show you. So again, this is the one I used. I bought a couple of these since because anyway, I think they're great. But with this kit, I made cards, I made a scrapbook layout, and I made some other goodies. So let me start with the cards because that's kind of the main event of this kit. So I haven't put these on anything. I just did the card fronts, but let me show you how beautiful the cards are. So I used some some foam tape so I could create a little bit of dimension. But these cards are so cute. Like, look at this one. And this one I'm just going to write on the back and then, you know, pop it into a gift bag. So sweet. Here's another one. And it comes with so many different sentiments. So you can make these birthday cards, get well cards, missing you, friends cards, whatever you like. Okay, so 3. Okay, 4, 5. So ultimately, I decided that I would keep 5 of these as cards, okay? So that's the cards part of it. Then I was staring at my favorite cards and I thought, I don't want to give those away. I'm going to turn them into a layout. So I made this. See if I can get it all on here. I might have to just. So I made this double page layout. And it is mostly from the kit. So I'm just trying to remember which way I intended this to go. Anyway, I guess it doesn't really matter. But let me show you. So these papers were just stuff, yellows I had in my stash, which matched really well. But this was a card, this was a card, this was a card. And I just turned them into mats for my photo layout. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures can fit on here. You can do more, you can cut these up some more. But look at that. How fun was this? So I'm so excited because these were some of my favorites. So I just turned them into a layout that I will get to keep. Look how pretty. And the images, like everything's so pretty and so spring on this whole pad. And I'm excited about that because I'm looking out my window and you guys can't believe it's like the middle of March and it's snowing again. So I don't know. I'm so over it. I really am over it. Nobody's listening. Then I had a bunch of leftovers and I thought, oh, what am I going to do? I made bookmarks. So I made a little one. This is for maybe a little child in my family that I'll give it to. I'm going to stick these in with my little Easter baskets. So look at these, and you can leave them as is. I think I'm going to laminate them. I'm probably going to write something personal on the back, and I'm going to laminate them and then just give them as gifts in Easter baskets, etc. So that's it. I made, what is that? 5 bookmarks. Yep, 5 bookmarks, a 2-page spread layout, and 5 cards, all from this one kit. And I don't have the price on it. I swear it was like cheap, like $15.99 Canadian dollars, which is like, you know, $5 in the States. Okay, don't quote me. It's more than that. But anyway, cheaper in the US, but really, really, really great value. So if you see one of these and you love the print and the pattern and think, I don't need a card kit. I know how to make cards. I have so many cards. Pick it up. There's so much you can do with it. That's all. This is definitely, nobody's paying me to do this. I was just so excited that I had to share it with you guys. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I hope to see you soon. Gotta go shovel now. Bye.